Welcome to MGC Learning. Today I'm going to teach you the subject bookkeeping and accountancy, and the topic name is retirement of partners. Okay students, chalo let's read the problem, understand the problem. This is question number 4, page number 184 of government textbook. Rohan, Rohit and Sachin are partners sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 3:1:1 respectively. The balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 as shown below. Balance sheet. Now you see all common items. Creditors will go in balance sheet. General reserve will be distributed among all the partners. Bills payable, capital account, Rohan, Rohit and Sachin. Bank account, debtors, livestock, building, plant and machinery, motor trucks, goodwill. On 1st April 2018, Sachin retires and the following adjustment has been agreed on. Goodwill will be revalued at 50,000. Now see there is an adjustment in goodwill, so we will just mark on the goodwill. Okay. Debtors, livestock, building, plant and machinery, motor trucks. So all are having an adjustment. Yes. So I have marked everything: debtors, livestock, building, plant and machinery. Okay. Then let's go ahead. What is the problem saying? Rohan and Rohit contributed the additional capital through net banking. 50,000. So they are bringing, after one partner is going out of the business, these two partners are bringing more capital to the business. Balance of Sachin capital is transferred to the loan account. Give the journal entry. See, this time they have asked you the journal entry. Remember it, students. What they have asked you? Journal entry. In admission also I've told you. You know, the problem can be anything. The problem can ask you journal entry or ledger account. So this time it is a journal entry. So let's start with a journal entry first. You know what is a journal entry? First we do. First we pass a journal entry of general reserve. General reserve will be distributed among the partners. Yes, so what will be your journal entry? What is a journal reserve entry? General reserve. Yes, general reserve account. General reserve account debit to all the partners' accounts. So the partners' names are Rohan, Rohit, and Sachin. Rohan account to Rohit account to Sachin. Yes, Rohan account, Rohit account to Sachin account. How much is the general reserve? General reserve is how much? 50,000. So general reserve is 50,000. It will be divided between three partners. And what is the ratio? 3:1:1. So 5 divided by 50,000 is, so this person will get 30,000, this person will get 10,000, this person will get 10,000. Being general reserve transferred to capital account. Okay students? Yes. So we have transferred. Now see, all these other things will go into the balance sheets. Here also everything will go into the balance sheet. So we can do one thing, you know, we can just make a balance sheet also, so that it becomes easier for us to pass an entries. So here it is, passing the entries become very easy by balance carried down. What was the balance of Rohan and this people? Rohan is 1,25,000, Rohit and Sachin. So Rohan is 1 lakh, Rohit 1,25,000 and Sachin is 50,000. I think I've done a mistake. Rohan is 125, Rohit is 1 lakh. So Rohit is 1 lakh and Rohan is 1,25,000. Then we divided it so by general reserve. Yes, this is all working notes. I have only in admission also I have told you, when accounts are asked, you have to make this, but this all are working notes. Okay, now we'll transfer all the amount to the balance sheet. Yes. So creditors is 40,000. There is an adjustment in creditors also. Okay, there is an adjustment in creditors also. So we'll write creditors also in inner column. So creditors, there is an adjustment. So 40,000 in inner column. Bills payable, no adjustment, 25,000. So bills payable, I can write BP, bills payable, because this is only a working note, 25,000. In bank, you're having an adjustment. So bank also you'll write inner column. Debtors also you have an adjustment. You'll write in the inner column. Bank, debtors. Yes, how much is it? Yes, debtors is 60,000. Livestock is 50,000. So debtors is 60,000. Then you have livestock. Yes, debtors is 50,000. Livestock is 50,000. Then you had building. Building is 75,000. Then you have plant and machinery. You can write in short form because this is a working note. It's not going to give you any mark. Plant and machinery is 35,000. There is an adjustment. Then you have motor truck. So motor truck empty you can write for motor truck. So motor truck is 1 lakh. And then you had a goodwill. This is GW. Goodwill is 57,500. Okay, students, now see we have done all the entries of balance sheet. Creditors 40,000. General reserve we distributed. Bills payable with it, all with it. Bank we have not written anything, we'll see it. Debtors 60,000. Livestock 50, 75. Motor truck, goodwill. All the entries we have done it. Now let's come to the adjustment. The first, goodwill is revalued at 50,000. Now see, goodwill revalued at how much? 50,000. Yes, so you'll write here less. Reduce matlab you can say depreciation. So new value is how much? 50,000. So what is the difference? Difference is 7,500. Correct? Chalo. Goodwill is over. Then debtor is 50, livestock is 45. So debtor is 50, livestock is 45. Then building is 1,25,000 and plant is 30. So building is 1,25,000 and plant is 30,000. Motor truck is 95 and creditor is 30. So motor truck is 95,000 and creditor is 30. Now see, you will see what is happening. Now see here 50 and 30, that means less 10,000. Correct? Less, nothing mentioned. We are writing RDD. Yeah, bad debts. Yes, 10,000 is a bad debts. Livestock is also reducing, so you write less. Depreciation, again 5,000. Here it is increasing, so you'll write here add appreciation. How much is the appreciation? 1,05,000 minus 75, the appreciation is 50,000. Correct? Now here also it is reduction, so you'll write here less depreciation. How much? 5,000. Here also there is a reduction, you will write here less depreciation, that is 5,000. Now see, your debtors is reducing, livestock is reducing, only building is appreciating, and all are depreciating. Even creditors has become 30,000, so you write here less. It is discount or something, whatever you can write it. Discount is 10,000. Yeah, no longer required. Creditor, they have not told us anything, so I don't know what it can be. It might be somebody has said you don't give us our money. It can be a discount. It can be anything. Now see, less in as liability is an income, and add in building is an income. So to our income, all other are expenses. So you'll write here by creditors. Yes, creditors has increased by 10,000, and then there is an increment in the building. So by building is increased by 50,000. All other things there has been reduction. Goodwill has reduced, correct? So you'll write here goodwill. Goodwill has reduced with 7,500. Yes. Then you had debtors. So I have written here 2 debtors. So debtors is reduced by 10,000. Then there was a reduction in livestock. So 2 livestock. There was a reduction of livestock 5,000. There was reduction in plant and machinery. So 2. Yes, there was a reduction in plant and machinery. It was again 5,000. There was a reduction in plant. So plant and machine. Then it was in motor car. Motor truck was again, there was a reduction. It was rupees 5,000. Yes. So all this thing we have. Yes. So we have done this adjustment number 2. Now let's go ahead and see what is the adjustment number 3 saying you. Yes, Rohan and Rohit contributed additional capital through net banking. See, Rohan and Rohit is bringing extra money in the business. So when the money comes in, what is the entry? Bank account debit to partner's capital account. So it will come on your credit side. So you'll write here in the partner's capital by bank account. Yes, Rohan is bringing 50,000 and Rohit is bringing 25,000. Okay, and then we have not made a bank account. I'll tell you what to do later on. Yes. Balance of Sachin capital is transferred to his loan account. Give the journal entries. Now listen students, I have already told we have started with the journal entry earlier. Now what we'll do, seeing this problem, we'll pass the journal entries. Okay. Now see, first we are going to pass the journal entries of a profit and loss adjustment account. First we are going to transfer all the difference. Okay student. So now see, goodwill, what will be journal entry? Profit and loss adjustment account debit to goodwill account, to debtors account, to livestock account, to plant and machinery account, and to motor truck account. So first journal entry is reduction in the value of asset, being asset depreciated. So here I have written being RDD created. I told you it can be a bad debts also, it can be RDD also. So if you are taking it RDD, so you'll write that way. So I'll write here what will be the journal entry. Yes, see all the items are in your debit side. Can you see it? all in the debit side. So it is, what will be the journal entry? Profit and loss account debit to all all assets account. So you'll write here profit and loss adjustment account. Debit. What have you all debited it? Yes, you had goodwill, so you'll write here to goodwill account. Yes, how much is the goodwill? Yes, goodwill is 7,500. Then you'll write here to livestock account. How much was your, we'll see later on, we'll write amount together, all the amounts. To motor truck account. To plant and machinery account. See student, here you will be writing everything properly, because you know this is asked in the examination. So machinery account. Now see, I'll show it to you. See, here it is. See, to goodwill, to debtors, to livestock, to machinery, to motor car. So we'll write debtors also here only. So I'll write here to debtors account. Okay, now see, goodwill was 7,500. Yes, your livestock reduction is 5,000. Your motor car reduction is 5,000. Your plant and machinery reduction is 5,000, and your debtors reduction is 10,000. So you'll total everything 10, 20, 25. That comes to 32,500. So this is 32,500. Are you getting it, students? Now see, this was all were there on your debit side. See, it was there on the debit side to stock, debtors, livestock, plant and machinery. And what will be the narration? Yes, you know, in the journal entry, narration is compulsory. You will write being asset depreciated. Now see, RDD created, I have written it, but as I've told you, I've written it bad debt, so I've written in the asset reduce, so I'll delete this. Yes, so we have written the being all the asset depreciated. Now what is going to happen? Now what is the next part? Now you'll see your credit side. See, building is appreciated. So you'll, what will the, what is the entry when the asset is appreciated? The entry is building account debit to profit and loss adjustment account. You know, I've already told you, when it is increase, you have to do this way, and when it decreases, the entry is that way, to profit and loss adjustment account. Okay, students, how much the what is the value? It is 50,000. The building has been appreciated by 50,000. You know, we have already done that. Being building appreciated, being asset appreciated. Now what was the next? See, in the credit side you had two items, building and creditors. So creditor reduction in the creditor is also your income. So that also you are going to write as creditors account debit to profit and loss adjustment account. Yes, profit and loss adjustment. The creditors has been reduced by 10,000. Okay, students, so we have done the entries of everything. Now see, from this only you can see it. See, this entry you have done, this entry, this entry, this entry. Now only one entry is remaining. General reserve also you have distributed. Now bank, when the partners are bringing something in the cash, the remaining partners are bringing capital in the cash. So debit what comes in. So what is coming in? Cash. So it is bank account debit. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So the bank is receiving it. So debit bank account debit. Who is giving you the money? Two partners who are left out. To Rohan account and to Rohit account. These two partners are bringing in cash. How much cash they are bringing in? Rohan is bringing 50,000 and Rohit is bringing 25,000. So total comes to 75. Yes, he is bringing 50,000. This person is bringing 25,000. So total comes to 75, being additional capital brought in by the partner. Now see, almost all the journal entries remaining completed. Now what is remaining? The remaining part is our totaling part. The totaling part means first you are going to remove a profit and loss from this. Now see, here it is how much. You can directly do the total. This 60,000 and here also we had done it. This is 60,000 and what is the total of this? 10, 20, 25 plus 7, that is coming to 32,000. So you're going to minus 60,000. You are going to minus 32,000. So 60,000 minus 32,000. 32,500. So how much your profit is coming? You're getting a profit of 27,500. So you're going to write here. Yes, so your profit is how much? 27,500. And here also you're going to write 60,000. This profit belongs to all the three partners. Yes, because right now all the three partners are there in the business. So it belongs to all the three partners. So it is to capital account. Yes, so it is Rohan, Rohit and Sachin. These are the three partners. Am I correct? And what is the profit sharing ratio? 3:1 is your profit sharing ratio. So what will be 27,500 divided by 5? So what is the answer? 5,500. So these two people who are having one ratio, this person will get 5,500, this person will get 5,500. And how much the Rohan will get, because he is having a 3 parts. So Rohan will get how much? 16,500. So Rohan will get how much? 16,500. Now this will be, so what is the journal entry? Tell me when the profit is distributed. Profit and loss adjustment account debit to partners capital. What is the entry? Profit and loss adjustment account debit to partners capital account. So you're going to write a journal entry here. Profit and loss adjustment account. Profit and loss adjustment account, debit. To Rohan account, to Rohit account, and the last but not the least, to Sachin account. Yes. What is the loss? A profit. You are having a profit of 27,500. When you are dividing it between, Rohan is getting 16,500 and all others are, both the partners are getting 5,500, 5,500. Correct? So two partners are getting 5,500. And what will be the narration? Yes, the narration will be being profit distributed among the partners. Okay. Now, what are the thing which is left out? Now you will do the balancing of capital account. चलो total करते हैं. Yeah, it will be coming, transferring it here. So you'll write here by profit and loss adjustment account. This person is getting 16,500. This person is getting 5,500. This person is getting 5,500. Now totaling. Chalo, it's very easy. 50, 60, that is 65,500. 1 lakh 10, 1 lakh 10, 1 lakh 35. 1 lakh 35 is 5 is 1 lakh 40,500. Now this is okay. This all will do the totaling fast. 1 lakh 25,000 plus 30,000. That is okay. 1 0 less. So we'll do it again. 1 lakh 25,000 plus 30,000 plus 50,000 plus 16,500. The total is coming to 2,21,500. So this is 2,21,500. Now see, Sachin is retiring, so it will go to Sachin's loan account. Yes, how much is Sachin's loan account? 65,500. And all others will be transferred to balance sheet. So to balance carried down. So Rohan and Rohit will go in balance sheet in capital account. Okay, students, 4,50,000. Chalo, we'll do the balance sheet, and then if the balance sheet tally, that means everything is correct. So you'll write your capital account. Rohan. Yes, Rohan amount was 2,21,500. Then Rohit. Well, how much was Rohit? 1,40,500. So the total comes to 3,61,062,000. Correct? 500, 500. So this comes to 3,62,000. And last but not the least, loan of Sachin. Yes, how much is the loan of Sachin? 65,500. Okay, now the balance sheet should tell. No, one thing is remaining. Now see, in bank account, am I correct? How much was the bank account? Your bank account was 12,500. Okay, students. So your bank account was how much? I have told you. Your bank account was 12,500. Two partners have brought the money. Yes, they have brought the money total 75,000. Only this 2 transaction was there in the bank account. So this total comes to how much? 82,500. 87,500. Now we'll see to it. Yes, 75,000 plus 12,500. So what is the total? It is 87,500. So you'll write here 87,500. Now totaling. We'll complete the totaling part. If the balance everything tallies, that means we have done it correctly. Okay, now we'll see to it. 87,500 plus 50,000 plus 45,000 plus 1,25,000 plus 30,000 plus 95,000 and plus 50,000. So what is the total? The total comes to 4,82,500. So your asset total is 4,82,500. That much total should be of your liabilities also. Then only we are done everything correctly. Now 65,500, 30,000 and last and least is 25,000. So balance is correct. So everything is correct. 4,82,500. Now see, in journal entries we have done everything. We have transferred it. Only one thing is that this Sachin capital account will be transferred to his loan account because he is no longer a partner in the business. So only the last but not the least journal entry is left out, that is to transfer Sachin capital account to his loan account. See, being retired, partner's capital transfer to loan account. So you'll write here by partners it is Sachin capital account to Sachin loan account. What is the entry? Sachin capital account debit to Sachin loan account, because now he is no longer your partner. He has become your liability as a loan. So what was Sachin's amount? 65,500, and here also 65,500. Now the totaling is only remaining, so we'll do the totaling of it. 65,500 plus 27,500 plus 75,000 plus 10,000 plus 50,000 plus 32,500, and what is the first one? That is 50,000. So plus 50,000. So the total comes to 3,10,500. So your total is 3,10,500. Your debit and credit total are always the same. Okay, students, by this we have completed the posting of this of journal entries properly. Okay, now at least I'll okay, chalo, thank you, have a good day, enjoy learning with MJC app. Now earlier problem, in problem number 1, 2 and 3 I had done only ledger account. So homework for you is to pass the journal entry of problem number 1, 2 and 3. Chalo, thank you.